What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy the Ginger King here, back with another video. And today, just kidding. And today we got, look at you looking cute, looking clean like a beautiful cat would. You know what I'm saying, guys? Today what I want to do, I'm going to take you guys along on a journey with me. You know, journey into Tennessee. I'm going to be taking the Subaru. I need to go get it washed, take all the crap out of it, and I want to go take some photos. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to clean the car out, and then I'm going to take some photos. And I just want you guys to be there right along with me while I'm cleaning my car and taking pictures of it, you know. Get some good shots downtown Nashville, maybe in the little area I live at. I'm going crazy over this bug. Get that mosquito, guys. Get it. Look at it. It's a moth or something. Look at her going. You can jump that high. You got it. You got it. I believe in you. I believe in you guys. You sad Dad's leaving? You sad Dad's leaving? I love you too, Rude. So, I'm hungry, so I'm about to head to Chick-fil-A, get some food real quick, and then be on the way to car wash this bad boy down, and go downtown and get some photos.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. Felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent.
Man, every single time I come to this Chick-fil-A, it's wrapped the entire way around the building. Little old me is all the way back here. I just want some chicken, bro. I just want some chicken.
A feel of discontent, I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
Alright, I'm a full boy. Just ate my Chick-fil-A. It was godly. It was good. I was super hungry, so. But I gotta watch these calories out here. You know, I gotta get back in shape, so my boy only got a sandwich. Love that chicken sandwich, man. That #1 with some American cheese. Add some extra pickles and you're good. You're good. And this Powerade is hitting the spot. I'm not a fan of this strawberry lemonade, but I'm thirsty, so the only thing I got. The more you drink, the better it gets, actually. Alright, so let me tell you guys the plan. So I'm on my way to the car wash right now. I'm just gonna get the car cleaned up so it looks good in pictures. So what I want to do, I want to go downtown, just drive around, try and find some spots, take pictures. Probably gonna go down or go up a lot of parking garages, see if I can, you know, get a good view on parking garages. I'm gonna go by the stadium because I know there's a couple spots over there. That's normally where I park whenever I'm going downtown, so I know there's good spots over there to take some pictures. But besides that, I'm just gonna be driving around, taking some pictures. Much rather wash my car myself, but I live in an apartment. Let's get some light here. I live in an apartment. Pressure washer doesn't quite really work that well. So like I was saying, the pressure washer doesn't really hook up too well. You know, because I mean, where am I going to hook it up in an apartment complex? Much rather wash it myself, but the only place I can is about 50, well, it's about 45 minutes away, but I'm not doing that today. I'm just going to get a quick wash done and get these pictures taken. Alright, so just got the car all washed up clean. Wiped it down a little bit on the inside, but ran out of wipes, so I only had one wipe, so that didn't really do much. The whole point of me wanting to go take pictures is because I started a Instagram. I'm gonna plug it in right now. But go ahead and follow the car Instagram / YouTube Instagram. Okay, just got a sip of this Powerade, guys. Stay hydrated out there. It's the summertime now. I was hella thirsty. I like having this camera right there though. But I ordered one, a little 360 one, so I can spin it. You know, it locks in place. It'll sit right there, but I can spin it, you know, if I'm racing someone, there's someone beside me, or if I want to turn it to the front. So that's going to be pretty nice. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
You, baby. But how long can this shit last? When the plug got my back, when I'm low on cash. Slowed it down for a minute, it was moving fast. My accountant doing taxes, having heart attacks.
These guys are not happy with me pulling in here. insurance is hella low here. If you have a truck, do not come in here. And they got it blocked off so I can't take pictures. Fuck. We're gonna take pictures anyway. Let me show you the parking garage. I don't understand. They've got it blocked off, but there's cars right there. So I don't know what's popping right there. Got no idea, but hey. Alright, I got a couple pictures here. So, on to the next spot. They're doing some type of construction, I'm afraid. They're gonna blow up this building anytime soon, and then the Ginger King is gonna be dead. That won't be a fun time. Not at all. Won't be a good time at all. We can get some more pools in this parking garage. Sounds good. Sounds good for sure. Because I'm beautiful. Well, now I'm not beautiful at all. I don't have a beard at all anymore. Alright, quick little update. Just got a shift, guys. Got a shift. Alright, quick little update. Just got the pictures done. About to head over to my buddy's job since I'm downtown, so it's up to him. Give him a quick little visit, and then upload this video. And if you want to see the pictures, just go ahead and follow the Instagram, plug it in right now again, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Deuces.